Alright, here's that little Massey 9-inch box fan model MBF-909 again. I know a couple people wanted to see an after video of this fan, so here you go. It is amongst the dirtiest fans I've ever cleaned. It was absolutely disgusting. I'm not sure how the motor's still alive, being when I took it off, it took some brushing to even be able to see what the back of the motor looked like, being I could not see it at all. Even with the motor out in my hand, I couldn't see it at all. It was just that dirty. It was pretty bad. The inside of the blade hub was completely filled with dirt. It took forever to get all the dirt off the blades and grills and everything. It had some grease on it too. That took a long time to get off, but in the end the thing turned out really good. It's nice and clean and everything. It runs really good. It took to oil really well. It runs perfect like new now. The motor don't rattle no more. I actually grew on the thing so much I started using it next to my computer for myself. I got this little fan sitting next to the computer, and I got my 88 Galaxy 2150 sitting on top of the computer. That basically just oscillates and does around the basement and everything. Then this just does for me while I'm sitting there doing my YouTube and whatnot. Yeah, it's a pretty cool little fan. I have a soft spot for these little 9 and 10-inch box fans. I think they're all kind of interesting in their own ways. But anyway, that's it for this video. So as usual, thank you for watching, and I hope all you guys enjoyed.